Hello, guess who's back? It's me again, and here is another tutorial on how to fix your broken handbrake button. For me, this button broke off. You can see that the plastic is gone, and so my handbrake doesn't work right anymore, but no problem. I have ordered a new piece from my favorite web shop, AliExpress, and I'm going to install it. And it should be very easy, and even an office guy like me with two left hands can do this. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, I'm also doing some work on my radio because that light has died, but that's for another video. So back to this one. When I remove this plastic button, I can see that there are still some leftover plastics in there from the clips that broke off. So I'm going to get a small plier or a prime to pry it open. So I've got some little tweezers, and then I'm going to take this out. There's one. And that's two. So now it's clean and ready to install the new part. This is the new part, made out of metal, so it won't break anymore. And it also came with a new spring, which is very tiny and very springy. And I've already lost my old spring. It went down there, so good luck finding that back. So I'm going to take some precautions by putting some towels here and putting this aside, so when it doesn't work and it springs away from me, I won't hopefully lose it. Okay, with some jittering I got the spring in. And according to the manual, it's now just a matter of clicking in our new button. You have to use some okay, job done. See you in the next video.